Okay.
Oh shit. Hold on. Wait, I gotta poke the sharp part on the inside.
And then you put it up to your mouth and you pop the top.
I don't wanna fucking break my mouth. I don't wanna rip my mouth. Hold on.
And then you suck like you're sucking Mike's dick.
Oh my god, don't fucking say that shit.
Yes, please don't. Ever again.
None of us wanna know that.
The whole thing, bro.
Okay, ready? Wait, I lift it.
And then you pop the top.
I gotta get my finger under the top though, hold on.
Put your head up.
Come on. Higher.
She's a tramp. That's what she is. Cigarettes.
Such a shitty picture. Not enough light.
This is the longest beer chug of my life.
You haven't seen me chug beer.